Heat stop is a function that automatically stops all production of radiator heat when the outside temperature is equal to or greater than the preset heat stop value. Press the right arrow key once to go to the information menu. Scroll down using the minus key to the menu selection heat curve. Then press once on the right arrow to open the menu heat curve. Scroll down using the minus key to the menu selection heat stop. Press the right arrow key to highlight heat stop. Increase or decrease the value with the plus or minus keys. After setting the desired temperature of your heat stop, resume to the start screen by pressing the left arrow key 3 times. When the heat stop function is active, the circulation pump shuts off, except when hot water is produced. If this function is active, the outdoor temperature must drop 3 degrees below the set value for the heat stop to be deactivated.